Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write and recite short speech on Republic Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. A very good morning to the Excellencies, Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Rohan Sharma. I study in class 5. On the eve of our 73rd Republic Day, I extend warm greetings to all of you. This day is really important for us as Indians. Republic means establishing equal system and law for all the countrymen in the country. Indian Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly in 1949. To establish the rule of law in India and by implementing it on 26 January 1950, India became a democratic country. With this, our country had become the largest democracy in the world. India is a democratic country and every Indian citizen living in this country has equal rights. Although India became a free nation on August 15, 1947, it enjoyed the true spirit of independence on January 26, 1950. When the Constitution of India finally came into force, giving India its political freedom. After so many years, India still struggles at basics. Poverty remains the biggest challenge of the present day India. Corruption also has been a major concern in India. Indian democracy also struggles with communalism and religious fundamentalism. Today is the best day when we should place to preserve our country's pride, prestige, and most importantly, the culture of humanity. We have to take some steps to solve the issues to make our country a successful democracy. We have to make this country corruption free, and as much as possible, we should give some support for our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.